Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World channel. Today's, we will show you Gundam plastic models, custom build by Ray Eng. RE100, Nightingale, long range support type. The information of Nightingale, long-range support type. Model title, Nightingale, long-range support type. Modification type, kit bash, custom details, custom color scheme, custom panel line, and color separation. Kits used, RE100, Nightingale. MG1100, Sinanju Steinberg Ka. Finally, this is RE100, Nightingale, long-range support type, custom build by Ray Eng. For more information, go to https://www.gundamkitscollection.com. Thank for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribers GMK World channel. Don't forget, click the join icon below to join GMK World member.